You've most likely already heard of Bitcoin. Of course you have. But Bitcoin's ORDI token, what the heck is that? Is that an NFT? Is that cryptocurrency? Is that some kind of meme coin? Well, you are about to find out. In fact, some might even argue that buying ORDI is a much better bet than buying Bitcoin itself. If you're bullish on Bitcoin, you might want to look at this instead. For reference, since November, ORDI is up 2,000% and BTC is up just 100%. Those are good numbers, right? So in this video, I'm going to give you all the details that you need to know about ORDI cryptocurrency, including what it is, what makes it so damn controversial among the Bitcoin community. Everything, of course, in this video will be explained simply for you. So if you are new to the cryptocurrency market, or if you're just new to ORDI and tokenization happening on Bitcoin, then this is for you. And make sure to stick around to the end of the video, where I'll be discussing if ORDI has any long-term potential in the cryptocurrency market, or whether this will just crash and burn like so many others have before it. But of course, before we dive in, I have to give you this quick disclaimer. No one has paid us to make this review. The information contained in this video is provided to you for free for educational purposes. This is not a recommendation for you to run out and buy, sell, or hold the ORDI cryptocurrency. If you want to see full portfolio disclosures of all the cryptocurrencies that I currently own, I don't own ORDI, by the way, but you can see full portfolio disclosures of all my current investments, all my venture investments as well. Link in the description on YouTube or in the pinned comment over on X. You can always, of course, find the information in those locations. So, disclaimers out of the way, let's get started. What the heck is ORDI anyway? Simply put, ORDI is a cryptocurrency token that runs on the Bitcoin Ordinals software, which is built on the Bitcoin blockchain. To understand what ORDI is, you must first understand what Bitcoin Ordinals is. Bitcoin Ordinals is a software that allows users to attach text, images, video, or audio to the smallest denomination of Bitcoin, known as a Satoshi, essentially creating a Bitcoin NFT. The Bitcoin Ordinals software was created by developer Casey Rodarmore in December 2022, and it launched on the Bitcoin blockchain in January 2023. Bitcoin Ordinals then paved the way for different cryptocurrencies like ORDI to be created. A Twitter user at the time suggested the idea of allowing users to be able to create their own cryptocurrencies using the Bitcoin Ordinals software, and they called it the BRC20 standard. No complex coding, no fancy pants smart contracts needed. You only need a few lines of simple code, and that's it. Check this out. This is the code attached to a Bitcoin transaction that created the ORDI token. P is the type of token being issued. In this case, it's the BRC20 standard. OP is the command that will take place, which is to create the tokens. Tick refers to the ticker that the tokens will be trading under, which is ORDI. Max is the maximum token supply, which for ORDI is set at 21 million tokens. And finally, lim refers to the maximum number of tokens that could, in theory, be created in one transaction. For ORDI, this has been capped at 1,000. The user will be able to create the tokens within their wallet address by creating a new Bitcoin Ordinals NFT. The crypto world, they like to call this an inscription. To distribute these tokens to others, new inscriptions would be needed. A developer known as Domo saw this idea and decided to bring it to life. What could possibly go wrong? Famous last words. No, the BRC20 standard launched in March 2023. It's similar to Ethereum's ERC20 standard, just without the smart contract complexity. Now, there is people building smart contract complexity at Bitcoin layer 2, but that's for another conversation. ORDI is the first cryptocurrency created using the Bitcoin Ordinals software. So before we break down the ORDI token and what exactly that ORDI token does, I want to interrupt the flow real quick to let you know about the best damn newsletter in the cryptocurrency industry. It's my newsletter. After all, it's called Wealth Master. My team and I are spending about 40 hours a week putting this bad boy together so that you can enjoy it over your morning coffee, on the train to work, whatever it might be. Every week, we're bringing you the latest, the greatest, the best money-making insights in the market. I get it. You're busy. We're trying to cut down the noise for you and give you what you need to know. Airdrops, altcoin news, deep dives, NFTs, technical analysis, and much, much more. You can join our 100,000 plus weekly readers and sign up for free. Link down below in the description or in the pinned comment over on X. Now that you understand what the ORDI blockchain is designed to do and how the ORDI blockchain works, let's talk about the Ordinals token utility. Its supply, its distribution. The ORDI token, whilst similar in name, is not directly related to or affiliated with the Bitcoin Ordinals software in any way. The ORDI token has a total supply, as mentioned, of 21 million coins, just like Bitcoin does. You can see the inspiration, obviously. The token is a result of bringing text to life on the Bitcoin network. As the Bitcoin Ordinals creator would say, to make Bitcoin fun again. Make Bitcoin fun again. The token is often referred to as a meme coin, just like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, as it's been created without any real specific use case in mind. It's simply been created as an experiment to test the technological capabilities of the Bitcoin Ordinals software and to see what happens next. And as we know, of course, in the cryptocurrency markets, useless tokens have no problem gaining wild popularity. So it's no surprise that as the Bitcoin Ordinals software has grown exponentially in popularity, so too has the ORDI token. Major centralized exchanges such as OKX, KuCoin, others have listed the token for trading just a few months after it first launched. However, Binance were the late comers to the party, not listing it for trading until November of 2023. That's about 7 months after the token first hit the markets. With the backing of these exchanges, ORDI is now being treated just like any other cryptocurrency would be. It's easy to buy, it's easy to sell. Traders looking to make money from it obviously have easy access to it now. The Binance listing was a key turning point, of course, that sends ORDI's price skyrocketing by over 150% in just a week. Not only that, but it helped push ORDI's market cap over the $1 billion milestone in early December 2023, after its price jumped 850% in a month. Crazy stuff. But the question is, can ORDI sustain this level of growth over time, or will it die off once this crypto craze finally fizzles out and the next bear market comes around? Now, of course, in a crypto bull market, every token left, right, and center has the potential to go crazy. Meme coins are a game of attention. Obviously, they can go wild for a hot minute or even longer, with prices going up way beyond their true value or what even is rational or makes sense. So if you time the market right, traders can and do make a ton of money from buying these types of tokens. But this comes with a warning. BRC20 tokens, like ORDI, come with a lot of risks, not only to users, but even to the Bitcoin blockchain, which is kind of interesting. So, of course, first off, there's no utility or real tokenomics. ORDI's, again, essentially a meme coin on Bitcoin, which means that it's extremely risky and potentially wildly volatile. There's no real use case. 1 week, the price might go up 100%. Next week, it drop by 200%. None of that really fundamentally driven. Even the creator of the BRC20 standard warned the community that these tokens are basically worthless. Think about that. It's been created with no use case, no plan for token distribution, or strategy for the future. Keep this in mind. Right now, it's nothing more than an experiment. We have no idea how long that experiment will go on for. Two, network congestion. Now, this one has the Bitcoin community quite divided and is the reason why tokens like ORDI are potentially an extremely controversial concept for a lot of people in Bitcoin. The BRC20 craze puts added stress on the Bitcoin blockchain, causing delays with backed up transactions and higher fees. For the first time in Bitcoin's history, the number of queued transactions has actually reached 400,000 back in May of 2023. Every BRC20 transaction uses a lot of blockchain storage space. For this reason, the Bitcoin core developers even tried to put an end to the craze, which I have mixed feelings on. It's a bit of, control of the chain, if you will. You're not doing what we want with it. Anyway, we must consider that the ultimate goal is to onboard as many people in the world as possible into Bitcoin to escape inflation. Then Bitcoin Ordinals, BRC20 tokens like ORDI, kind of useless in doing that. Three, high fees. Not only do BRC20 transactions clog up the blockchain, but again, as mentioned, they also lead to massive spikes in transaction fees, making the chain less usable for all the people who don't want to be speculating on random coins like this. On May 8th, 2023, the average transaction fee jumped from $19 to $31. High fees, of course, affect everyone using the Bitcoin blockchain, not just the users trading those BRC20 tokens like ORDI. With all of this being said, the Bitcoin miners, they're laughing all the way to the bank, man. They are making the ka-ching, ka-ching. They love it. Speculate away, everybody. With increased network activity and higher fees, Bitcoin miners will be enjoying a big boost to their revenue, which long-term is good. As block rewards continue to fall, they need more revenue to keep the exchange secure. So I'm sure they would love to see use cases like this emerging and gaining popularity that keep the Bitcoin blockchain in demand as much as Ordinals and BRC20 tokens do right now. For example, a decentralized exchange, a financial product or service, or a real world tokenized asset could make use of tokens like ORDI in the future. Or with Bitcoin Ordinals reshaping the NFT marketplace landscape, ORDI could even play a part in this. Bitcoin issuer Franklin Templeton has come out saying that they believe that the Bitcoin Ordinals movement brings positive momentum in Bitcoin innovation. But to see any tangible benefits from the ORDI token, it could be a bit of a long shot right now, given the current sort of meme coin status. And hey, look, meme coins are popular right now. But look, what do you think about ORDI? Can it be more than just this kind of current meme status? Let me know in the comments what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.